Crop density and hydration levels are within optimal parameters for the morning cycle. Initiating transfer to the processing zone for batch verification.
Optical sensors are detecting 0 contaminants. Quality threshold is at 100%.
Batch 402 is cleared for immediate transport to the retail sector.
Supply chain integrity confirmed. The cycle is complete.
Commencing the phase 2 harvest. All automated units are in position.
Factory team, harvest data is synced. Prepare the washing tunnels for the first batch.
Increasing conveyor velocity by 5% to match the harvest intake. Routing batch 403 to zone C. Maintain temperature at exactly 4 degrees Celsius.
Display units are calibrated. The product is ready for the consumer.
From seed to shelf, the integrity of the process remains uncompromised. The soil recovery cycle has begun. Nutrients are stabilizing for the overnight period.
Sanitation protocols are at peak efficiency, ready for the midnight batch. Logistics sync complete. The shelves are prepared for the early morning rush. Energy consumption is optimized. The facility is running on 70% renewable surplus. Final shipment for the day is in transit. Logistics cycle is green across the board. A new day, a new harvest. The standard remains excellence.
Dew point is optimal. The natural hydration cycle is supporting the automated systems perfectly.
System authorized. Initiating morning facility audit.
Purity levels are holding at 99.9%. The laser calibration is holding steady.
Entering cold storage zone. All thermal sensors are active and reporting.
presentation is flawless. The supply chain has delivered exactly as promised.
Irrigation cycle 41 is complete. Soil saturation is holding steady at 6 to 8%.
Transferring to the processing zone for the evening quality audit.
Washing pressure is optimal. Throughput remains steady at the target capacity.
Cold chain parameters are locked. Initiating the evening distribution sequence.
The final presentation meets the standard. The batch is ready for the consumer.
Moving to the processing interior for the secondary hygiene and sorting audit.
Optical sorting accuracy is at 99.8%. Purity standards maintained.
Thermal stability confirmed. Rotate the morning harvest to the premium retail display units.
Quality cycle 59 is verified. Seed to shelf integrity is flawless.
Irrigation cycle 61 is active. Checking flow rate consistency across the central sector.
Sensor nodes are green. Initiating batch transit audit at the processing facility.
Laser alignment is within a 0.5 millimeter tolerance. Sorting efficiency is maximized. Warehouse temperature is holding at 4 degrees. Releasing the shipment for the retail sector.
Supply chain verification complete. Quality integrity is confirmed for the batch.
Re-engaging field audit for the afternoon cycle. Environmental variables are within range. Sensor calibration confirmed. Proceeding to the facility for washing tunnel verification. Washing cycle pressure is nominal. Sanitization protocols are operating at peak efficiency. Batch coding is synchronized.
All units are ready for warehouse transfer.
Final retail audit complete. Supply chain integrity is verified for the day. Daily yield data synchronized. Environmental stability maintained throughout the harvest window.
Automated maintenance cycle initiated. Systems are clear for the midnight reset. Supply chain integrity confirmed. Retail readiness is at 100%.